Congratulations on making it to day 7. Now it's time together to bring all 6-day challenges into one unified, holistic skincare routine for healthy and glowing skin. By the way, if you are new to this channel, my name is Christy. I'm passionate in building the healthy and glowing skincare routine for each unique skin. Remember to subscribe our channel so you will watch the video every week for the dermatologist-proven skincare routine, the insider tips for the new skincare technology, and how to improve your overall well-being. Up until now, you have been learning the basic tips for building the good skincare routine and understand how our skin works, what you should do to get and keep healthy and glowing skin. You have also learned some relaxing yoga pose and incorporate a daily green smoothie into your diet to help your skin detox and glow naturally. Now it's time to go to the next level. We recommend you follow this skincare routine for at least 7 days. Remember, 28 days total to see the outstanding performance. And our skin actually needs 28 days to shed the dead skin cells and rejuvenate the new skin cells. You can also continue this routine after initial 7 days to see the long-lasting hydration and skin glowing. And to follow along this glowing skincare routine, I strongly recommend you to pair this routine with the Skin Use OC set. This glowing skin boost is packed with natural and clinical proven actives. This set of moisturizer and booster help you to strengthen your skin barrier by balancing the microbiome diversity on your skin and also prevent you from the early signs of aging caused by UV radiation, pollution, and the dehydration. Just click the link in the description box. You can build your best routine for your unique skin. 2 important notes. We have added both internal and external tips. And remember, the best results comes from the inner health and the skin health. Less is more. This is quite contrary to the popular opinion. The less product put on your skin, the better result. You only need a few natural and personalized skincare in your arsenal. Remember, what you do internally will take care of the rest. So, what's the best morning skincare routine? To avoid over-drying your skin, I recommend you to wash your face with the mild facial cleanser and avoid using the soap-based cleanser that is too harsh to our skin. Then you can use the lightweight moisturizer to protect your face and lock the water on your skin. Remember to use the SPF even if you are indoors. Overwash will disrupt the pH balance and the microbiome of your skin, which is important for the clear and glowing skin. So remember to use the mild facial cleanser. When you wash the face in the morning, try not to use the steaming hot water and apply a bit of the face and body cleanser. This avoids over-dry your skin and also avoid overwhelming with too many products. Internal tips. Jumpstart your morning with the healthy detox routine that helps to boost your metabolism, hydrates your organ after night, and helps your liver clean the system. Take 500 ml water with 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, or if you prefer, with the juice of half lemon. With or for breakfast, make a fresh 100% natural smoothie filled with the superfoods that are best for your skin. Throughout the morning, drink as much water as you need. Keep in mind that nothing makes your skin look younger and fresher than the water. Water helps transport nutrients and oxygen into your skin cells. It also helps your skin replenished, healthy, and rejuvenated. What's the evening skincare routine? Extra tips number 1. Reserve the evening for your glowing skincare routine. Not only do you have the time to do it mindfully, instead of rushing in the morning, it's also an incredible way to start winding down for bed. Your evening skincare routine should be broken down into 4 steps, and it's important to use the personalized and natural skincare that won't irritate your skin. Number 1 step, cleanse. Use a mild cleanser of your choice. Try not to use the hot water, which will overstrip the moisture from your skin. Number 2, toning. Toning is very important step to balance your skin's pH level and lift any dirt that isn't removed from the previous cleansing. Using a natural product containing Canadian willow herb, the aloe vera to soothe and balance your skin. Number 3, moisturize. This is essential step, especially for lightweight and natural ingredients. It aids in hydration and strengthens the skin barrier to give you extra boost of the skin glowing nutrients. Number 4, booster to maintain your skin youthful look and prevent the premature aging. Try to incorporate a booster or serum that can lock in the active ingredients to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Normally, the active ingredients are added at optimal level in the booster so you can see the visible results fast. If necessary, you can exfoliate your skin in weekly basis or bi-weekly basis to help you get rid of the dead skin cells. Now I share you what's the internal tips. In the evening, treat yourself with a fresh pomegranate juice, which is a super antioxidant and a polyphenol feast for your skin. This also supports the production of collagen. Remember, the more collagen, the less wrinkles and fine lines formation. Lastly, a lot of the skin rejuvenation and repair process takes place during your sleep. It's very important, especially over the medium to long term. Prioritize your sleep. During the daytime, your skin oftentimes is busy defending itself from outside elements like the extreme weather, the UV radiation, the pollution, and the free radicals. Remember, at night, when skin is more ready to channeling the nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells, your skin gets focused on amping up the production of the collagen and repairing itself. So, do yourself a huge favor to have the continuous sleep for 7 to 9 hours each day, and in the next day you will wake up shining. Here is to your new healthy and glowing skincare routine. At this point going forward, follow the skincare routine I just shared to you to supercharge your skin cells and start seeing your clearing and glowing skin in 7 days. Feel free to tweak and adjust the routine by following this principle. However, to see the obvious results, I recommend you to follow this routine for 7 days to 28 days straight in order to reset your skin. If you like today's video, please remember like and subscribe. Every week we post a new video on the latest skincare tips. What do you want to see in the next video? Let me know in the comment box below. Keep glowing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.